sexy spy-looking people putting one finger to ear and saying things like, "I'm in," inserting you into facial recognition. Double cross पर double cross. Code names are playing card characters. इतना हो गया है कि at this point a 15-year-old can write better James Bond fan fiction. क्या है ये? कितना पैसा है खर्चने को? Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, jahan movie reviews, interviews, more film festival coverage also soon, hopefully. Right now we are talking about the latest Netflix release, Heart of Stone by Tom Harper, starring Gal Gadot, Jamie Dornan and Alia Bhatt in leading roles.
I'm coming for you.
The Charter is an underground, covert spy organization with no allegiance to any country or any government. Just a bunch of highly trained, beautiful people committed to saving the world from bad guys. Literally what Citadel was in Prime Video's Citadel, I think. Heart of Stone also has the Citadel problem in that it's not very good. You've seen it all before. The zero-nonsense lady boss, the underground bunker with a tech guy going like this. Ek to please, we have been teased this future where we will all be able to walk inside a computer-generated hologram and be able to do this, and like 3D images will appear all around us. Since Iron Man, we've been told this. When are we arriving at this future? Hein? Musk? Twitter के नाम बदलने से क्या हो जाएगा? Anyway, the very obviously attractive undercover agent Gal Gadot is Rachel. She's swimming alone as another very hot secret spy comes to the side and makes small talk and quips as the film wants you to imagine that these two are going to have sex क्योंकि ये सब बड़े hot है. Beautiful और brawny Gal Gadot एक सीन में snow covered mountain के नीचे ऐसे घिसटती हुई जा रही है. रास्ते में while घिसटोइंग एक ऐसा किसी का पैराशूट पकड़ के वो खींच लेती हैं. While sliding down, kinetic energy and gravity are working together to give this gliding goddess increasing momentum. She has managed to strap herself in the complicated parachute mechanism off the cliff. There she goes. मेरे को बहुत खुशी है. Gal is headlining mainstream action movies like this. इंडिया में अभी भी हम शाहरुख खान से आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं. But despite the desire to cheer her on, the movie entirely lost me within the first 20 minutes itself. So insistent on staying one step ahead of its viewers, wanting to thwart and baffle, failing to make a genuine connection. Screenwriter Alison Schroeder, nominated for an Oscar for her work on Hidden Figures, shares credits here with prolific writer Greg Rucka, who aside from books has also written many Marvel and DC comics, if I'm not mistaken. Director Tom Harper has Peaky Blinders to his name. War and Peace means it's a great bunch of people coming together to potentially create a narrative जिसमें मजे भी हो और पेथोस भी, साइंस फिक्शन भी हो और सोशल कमेंटरी भी, खूबसूरत लोग भी हो और डरावने consequences be. Except mostly what you get is cliches on cliches. One can tell precisely how any character's follow-up declaration will be worded after each dramatic pause in each dramatic dialogue. Alia Bhatt is Kea Dhawan, a 22-year-old orphan techie from Pune who wants to attain control of this MacGuffin, the heart. A backstory is offered as well, and the film ends on a note promising Kea might return if there ever is a sequel. But the lazy disdain with which this character is treated is bhari unfortunate. Every young techie breaking into encrypted cyberspace cliche moment is utilized, including one-liners funnier in the writer's head than the acting performance. Alia herself is underwhelming. It's perfectly acceptable, but that's just not good enough for people who know how much more she's capable of doing. यहाँ पर फिल्म का भी दोष है. एक्टिंग की स्कोप ही कम है. ऐसा नहीं कि सुपर हीरो या स्पाई जॉनर में बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंसेस नहीं हो सकती हैं. Look how Chris Pratt played Star-Lord, made it his own, or recently Ali Fazal in Kandahar. Right? All the actors in Heart of Stone have the talent one can ask for. All of it. Matthias Schweighöfer, sorry for mispronunciation, but he's fresh out of Oppenheimer. But unfortunately, all of it is squandered amid the signal is coming from within the building level writing. In Heart of Stone, Jamie Dornan gets to shoot two people in the middle of the night under a fountain. Then he delivers a monologue in what seems like a majorly residential area of some European city. और एक सेकंड को कैरेक्टर ये नहीं सोचते कि अगर किसी ने इन 50 आजू बाजू खिड़कियों में से एक भी फोटो खींच ली तो मैं किसी को मुंह दिखाने लायक नहीं बचूंगा. Such a fine performer also. आप रेंज देखो. Barb and Star Go to Vista Del Mar and Belfast दोनों एक ही साल में रिलीज हुई थी उसकी. Look, for a 2 घंटे का, and I hate to use this term because of how insultingly reductive it is, time pass. Sorry. This film is not a bad watch. Maybe there is some solace to be found in predictability also, na? देख के बताना.
Showtime! This is what I'm...
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Heart of Stone is one bad guy with blonde hair to straight up look like he has a TikTok where he plays Jared Leto playing the Joker. It is all so unserious यार. Stakes का कभी interesting कुछ होता ही नहीं है. इधर interesting का भी कुछ चल रहा है. Every few days I'm bringing to you such fun stuff, interviews, reviews. तो जाने से पहले like this video जिससे कि और लोगों तक ये पहुंच जाएगा. फिर subscribers खुद ही आ जाएंगे. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.